Yeah, PBZ, thanks a lot. 1 second.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flash flood warning for northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., emergency management have reported multiple water rescues around Pittsburgh and notably in Pleasant Hills. The warning has been extended to give time for more water to recede. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Monroeville, Greensburg, McKeesport, Jeanette, West Mifflin, Baldwin, Murraysville, Wilkinsburg, Whitehall, South Park Township, Lynn Hall, Jefferson Hills, North Versailles, Brentwood, Swissvale, and Castle Shannon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Castle Shannon is what it said.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware
No.
of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Weather message. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Washington,
This is
and
seriously how
Westmoreland,
PBZ is gonna treat us tonight.
Weather Service